This is the War Brief Daily for May 21st, covering the Iran and wider Middle East theater. Tonight we are tracking 4 key developments. First, the U.S.-Iran diplomatic track shows public progress while officials simultaneously warn war could resume as soon as next week. Second, the Lebanon front remains the most active kinetic theater with confirmed IDF strikes. Third, the Barakah nuclear plant drone strike enters its second day with no attribution. And fourth, a suspected Iranian cyberattack on U.S. infrastructure is under investigation. Update 1. Confirmed. With contradictory signals. Vice President Vance stated publicly on May 20th that negotiations with Iran are showing, quote, significant progress, while reaffirming that all military options remain on the table. Trump's pause on the planned Iran strike, announced May 19th after Gulf leaders from Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE personally intervened, remains in effect as of this brief. Iran's peace proposal, transmitted through Pakistan, is still under active review. Here is the critical distinction. The New York Times and the Times of Israel are both reporting, citing officials, that if negotiations fail to produce a breakthrough, Israel and the United States are prepared to resume major military operations against Iran as soon as next week. That is a specific, operationally significant timeline. The U.S. military buildup has not moved. No forces have stood down. No assets have redeployed. The posture remains strike ready. Iran's foreign ministry continues to insist enrichment rights are non-negotiable. This is not de-escalation. This is a pause with a countdown. Update 2. Confirmed. The Lebanon front remains the most active kinetic theater in this cycle. The IDF confirmed strikes on more than 25 Hezbollah weapons storage facilities, command headquarters, and launch sites on May 20th. Cross-border fire into northern Israel continues. A cessation of hostilities arrangement was reportedly extended 45 days as of May 18th, but Israeli operations in southern Lebanon have continued uninterrupted. A strike in the Baalbek area reportedly killed a senior Palestinian Islamic Jihad commander. Lebanese state media is reporting this, and it remains emerging in full detail. Update 3. Confirmed strike. Attribution unconfirmed. The drone strike on the perimeter of the Barakah nuclear power plant has now gone more than 24 hours without any group claiming responsibility. In a conflict theater where every active faction routinely claims attacks for leverage, that silence is itself a data point. The confirmed facts remain unchanged. 3 drones entered UAE airspace, 2 were intercepted, 1 struck an electrical generator outside the plant perimeter. A fire was extinguished, and the IAEA confirmed no radiation release. The investigation is open. The core takeaway: civilian nuclear infrastructure in the Gulf is now demonstrably inside the targeting envelope of this conflict. Update 4. Emerging, not yet confirmed. U.S. officials, cited by CNN, are investigating a cyberattack on systems monitoring fuel levels at U.S. gas station storage tanks. Hackers exploited systems lacking password protection, altering displayed fuel levels without causing physical damage. Attribution is not formally confirmed. Officials suspect Iranian involvement based on established behavioral patterns. No physical damage occurred. If the attribution holds, this is a sub-threshold escalation signal. Iran operating in the covert domain while the kinetic pause holds. On the maritime front, no confirmed Houthi strikes or Red Sea incidents were reported in this 24-hour window. That absence is operationally notable. This is an early assessment, not confirmed, but Iran's documented ability to throttle Houthi operations suggests this quiet may reflect coordinated diplomatic signaling from Tehran. Watch next. Whether the U.S.-Iran negotiations produce a framework or collapse, triggering that next week war resumption timeline. Watch for formal Barakah attribution. Track IDF operations in Lebanon and any Hezbollah escalation response. Monitor Houthi posture in the Red Sea. Any resumption of attacks would signal the diplomatic track has broken down. That is your War Brief Daily for May 21st.